Greetings all. The day is I think it's Tuesday, October something, maybe October 13th or 14th, I don't know. So over at the building site today, David came over and gave me a hand. What we did was, I'll show you, we put the plywood on the outside of the cupola. I have to now take and put roofing felt around that, and then I can do the rebar on that. It's going to be 3 layers, just like just like what I did here. It's got a horizontal, a vertical, and then another horizontal 3rd layer on the outside. It'll be 12 inches on center up there. Excuse me. And I don't know, I'm kind of brain dead. That was exhausting. The wind is just blowing. I mean, it's just so, kept trying to snatch those. So David, I would cut these 4x8 sheets into like 46 or 47 inches, and he would haul them up on the rope up onto the scaffolding, and I climbed on the outside of the dome and just stood up there, and he handed it through to me. But man, it was a challenge hanging on to that, I'll tell you. So that should make things a lot sturdier. We'll see how that goes. We did look at that and find that all the uprights aren't perfectly plumb. So we'll see. I'm not sure what to do about that. Although I don't think in retrospect it's really going to be that big a deal. When I put my windows in, the framing for those might be like a 1/2 inch off somewhere or other. So I can probably live with that. The wind is just really, so we have all my tarps that I put to cover over the my upper level there that we did. And I've been talking to Steve. He's still working on his concrete pump. I really want to get that support wall closed in so we can frame on top of it. And there's just different view. This is the first time I've actually looked at it from the ground. So it's, matter of fact, maybe I'll hike up above here and take a look. Let me walk up this slippery slope. I did look down inside that forms that Danny did for that support wall, and there's a hammer laying down there on top of the footings. It's like, oh joy, that can't stay there. Ah, here's another view of it. So looking at it from this view, and let me just walk up above and look at it from a level perspective. So how this will work is the 4-inch risers that I install will go up to just about the bottom of the windowsill there, and then that'll get shotcreted, and then windows will go up above. And let's see, well, they look a little off plumb. So what you hear, I think it's either a commercial wood chipper or they're excavating for we're supposed to be getting fiber optic broadband for the area. So that might be what's going on there. I noticed they've been out on the highway or on the road, paved road there, doing stuff. So we'll see. I noticed they got locates done for gas, electric, and I don't think there's water here. I don't have water. I mean, I have a well. Here's just a quick view, and then I'm going to call it a day. So there's L Mountains, and like I said, I don't remember where those are. There's Lion's Head back behind the on the other side of the cupola, and that's my view for the day. I did buy a new battery powered nail gun, and I'll tell you, that thing is heavy. It probably weighs about, I bet, 7 or 8 pounds. It's like, geez. So I'm gonna probably go get my Cinco pneumatic nailer out and bring that up here, because it's, even though it looks twice as big, it probably weighs a third of what that does. And that is all I know, guys. I hope you guys are having a good week and survived. What was it? Monday was Columbus Day, wasn't it? But so short week. Woohoo! Later.